So today I wanted to do a everyday fall makeup look. So I'm just starting off with my Cover FX foundation in G40. I think I'm just going to wear this today. Just a light layer of this. This just feels a little bit less heavy than using a concealer, so I do get a lot of questions on the kind of brushes I use, and this one is my favorite. It's the Luxie 530 Flat Top Kabuki. It blends out my concealers or my foundation really well all over my face, and it's just like really nice and big. For eyebrows, you guys already know I use the soft brown color for the 100% pure brow. And then the brush I use for this is a ColourPop E6 brush, and it's this like angled brush. I really like it. It's really easy to use. Good control for like trying to outline and fill in my brows. I don't know if you guys noticed at all, but I did get an eyelash lift. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, so the video might already be up. I plan on kind of making a vlog / review on getting an eyelash lift here in San Francisco. Yeah, if I have it up already, I will put it in the cards up here. But if I don't, then you have that to look forward to. But I guess an update so far is it's only been 2 days since I've gotten the eyelash lift. And when you get an eyelash lift, you have to wait 48 hours before you get your eyelashes wet. So like washing your face, taking a shower gets kind of difficult for those 48 hours, but doable. So it's been 48 hours and I washed my face like fully without worrying about my eyelashes today, and they're still very much like the same, like very lifted how she did it for me the first day, and I really like it. But anyways, I'll definitely do like a more full-on video about it. So for eyeshadow, I have this Morphe palette that I got from Ipsy. They're doing this new like full-size bag subscription service where full-size bag. Well, what I mean by that is like you get full-size products per bag in your subscription. So the bag that they sent me, I got this palette from Morphe. I don't know exactly what it's called. Yeah, I don't know exactly what it's called, but I just love it. I think it has a lot of really nice like orange, brown, just very like warm tone shades. You guys know that these are like the only shades that I use, so I really like it. For the first color, I'm gonna take this color On the Rocks and just put it all over my lids. This is my first time putting makeup on with my eyelashes lifted. It's a little hard because the eyelashes kind of get in the way, but I'm not complaining. And then I'm gonna take this color Cheers. Wow, I've never tried Morphe products, but they like pick up color on my fingers really well. I like it. It's really easy to use. I'm using this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush to blend it out. I like applying the eyeshadow first with my fingers because I just feel like it gives a really strong at first color, and then I like to blend it out on my eyelid with a brush afterwards. So I'm actually filming this before I go to Asia. Just really quickly, I'm going to take this 5 p.m. color. It's like this brown color. I'm just going to put that on the outer parts of my eye. Anyways, I'm actually filming this before I go to Asia. So this might be up after I get back, just depending on how much time I have to like edit all the videos. I'm trying to like pre-film everything so that you guys have some videos, but it's gonna be pretty interesting because I'm not gonna be able to really use like Instagram while I'm in China because it's not allowed there, and we're going to mainland China to go see Jimmy's family, and I'm really excited because I haven't seen his grandparents in a few years. I miss them a lot. They're honestly like the nicest people ever. I feel like meeting Asian adults is pretty intimidating because, well, in my experience, it's been intimidating because they're just very like demanding of like who they want their children to be friends with, like what kind of people. I've always been like not very popular because I'm very loud. I think a lot of people didn't like that about me, but they do not care. They actually like it, I think. I hope. So I really enjoy being with them. They like let me be myself, so I'm really excited to see them again. I'm just taking that same brown color. I'm just kind of putting this on my lower lash line. If you can hear typing in the back, it's because Jimmy's working from home today. Very excited. All right, I'm gonna take this really dark brown color called Manhattan. I'm gonna take this brush. This is Oh no, I don't know what this is. It doesn't say on the thingy. But it's like, looks like this. And I just like to tap it, and then I kind of like to create an eyeliner look with a really dark eyeshadow. I don't know why, it's just been kind of like my thing lately instead of using actual eyeliner. Sorry, I should have brought you guys up closer earlier, but I feel like you guys kind of know what I do now. Hopefully this last part is a little helpful because it's a little different than what I have done in the past. So I just like to take it onto my upper lash line, like really close, and just put the shadow there. I know when I open my eyes you're not going to be able to see it, but I still think it makes a little bit of a difference. Wow, this is much harder to do when your lashes are lifted, but I would prefer to have them like this than have to curl my lashes all the time. All right, moving on, I'm going to be taking this Essence Satin Blush. I haven't used this in a long time and I really like it. I think it's a really great like warm tone blush. Looks like this. So I thought it was perfect for a fall color. Wow, I forgot how much I like this. It goes on so nicely. So for highlighter, I wanted to try this Pixie by Petra highlighter Glowy Gossamer Duo. I haven't opened this yet, so it kind of looks like this. It has like kind of a pink highlighter and a more champagne highlighter. I think I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna try and just use my fingers because I didn't know how well that would blend with just using my fingers. Fortunately, it blends quite nicely. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit with this Tarte bronzer. Look how, like, I've had this for so long. I think I've had this for the past 4 years. I just can't get rid of it. I like to blend out my nose whenever I do this with this brush. It's a Real Techniques, oh man, what is this called? Deluxe Crease Brush. So I don't think this is meant for doing this, but I really like using it for this. I'm also gonna bronze right here and under my chin. I just think that it makes my face look a little bit slimmer. Okay, done with that. I'm also gonna just powder my face a little bit. I've been using the Laura Mercier powder. I use this and then the Wowder powder from Glossier, and I like both. Pretty sure I'm pretty late to the trend on this one though. Also, you guys, so I tried really hard to do the makeup video, the summer to fall makeup video. I was originally gonna do that in Korean, but I was having my mom help me, and I was quickly realizing that I was not ready to do that. I thought I was, just like a basic quick video. That's why it was kind of like a voiceover, because I wanted to be able to plan like what I was gonna say, and then just do a voiceover, because I thought that'd be like a good step for me instead of me going straight into like a get ready with me. And I thought it would be a really nice way for me to like by myself or with my mom's help like construct sentences and stuff, but I quickly realized that I really just could not do it. I didn't have enough vocabulary or practice to like be able to do that, so I ended up just doing the voiceover in English, and you guys still really liked it, but I originally wanted it to be in Korean. And it's a little bit disheartening because I was really excited and I thought my Korean was getting a lot better, and it just isn't up to par yet. So hopefully at one point I'll be able to do it. I really want to, but it's probably not going to be till like around next year. My mom just doesn't think I'm qualified. My mom's a really blunt person. She's very honest, and she was just telling me that I'm really not good, and so I shouldn't be like trying to rush it. She thinks that if I do it, like I should be pretty competent at it before I start trying to make a video and like talk to you guys. So anyways, for a lip color, I'm using Shoddy from the Fenty Beauty. It's like one of their lipsticks. It's a very strong color. I wasn't expecting it. Just gonna tap it. That is so pretty. I think this is such a nice color. If you guys just kind of want like a light smooth color like this, just tap it on because it's really strong. So I'm just gonna put some earrings in because I feel like I look a little bland without them. I was trying to catch you guys up on stuff, but I was like trying to think of what to talk about because I don't know when this video is going up. So it might be going up in like 3 weeks or something, and like all of the stuff that I want to catch you up on would have already passed and it would be like old news, you know? Anyways, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you liked it. It felt like a really quick get ready with me. So shocked. Usually I sit here and I just literally throw up everything that I've been thinking, but I feel like my mind's a little bit flustered right now because I'm just thinking about like making sure I have everything for Pepper when I go leave to travel, make sure I have everything for me and Jimmy when we go, and just making sure I have like content and stuff for you guys. So my mind's a little bit everywhere, but I'm really excited. I don't ever really travel abroad because I just really don't like the process of traveling. I don't know why, I just don't feel comfortable at all. Like, it just makes me feel really sick. So I try and make sure that I'm like as prepared and comfortable with everything here as possible, so that I just put my mind more at ease. But I am really excited. It's been 3 years since me and Jimmy went to China and Korea, so I'm really excited to go back, and we're adding Japan this time. This is gonna be our first time going to Japan, so yay! But if you guys do want to follow like what we're doing, I'm gonna be vlogging it, but it's not gonna go on this channel. I don't think I've spoken about our vlog channel here yet, but I just made a vlog channel for us. I'm gonna link it up here. I did ask a lot of you guys on Instagram if you wanted a vlog channel, if you wanted me to keep all the vlogs on here, and a lot of you... Ooh, someone is trying to get into the apartment. But anyways, a lot of you guys said that you would like for me to make a separate vlog channel for us. I know you guys really like seeing Jimmy, so I did make us a channel, so we'll be putting up vlogs on there. And a lot of you guys seem to really like it so far, so I'm really glad. And Jimmy is a little bit camera shy. He's not really used to like talking to a screen. So hopefully like he'll get more used to it, and I'm just excited for you guys to get to know him better because he seems really like stoic and talks like this all the time, but he's actually really sweet and silly, so hopefully you guys can see some of that. I'm sorry I woke you from your nap, but we have to do the outro. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. More enthusiasm.